Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. We also have Instagram and Twitter. You can find us at TPM Videos. On May 31st, 2019, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opened at the Disneyland Park in California. This new 14-acre land places you on the planet of Batuu, and it's truly an immersive experience that transports you to a galaxy far, far away. One of the highlights is getting to pilot the Millennium Falcon, and you can do this on the new attraction Smuggler's Run. Once you find yourself in the Millennium Falcon cockpit, the attraction is an intimate experience that's different every time. With interactive elements assigned to each of the three positions, the pilot, gunner, and engineer, you and your team work together to fly the ship and help Hondo transport the merchandise across the galaxy. The more successful the team is with flying the Falcon, the longer your experience can be. The entire attraction, including the queue and pre-show, are highly detailed. We'll be showcasing that entire experience in another video coming soon. But for now, enjoy this full-on ride POV of Smuggler's Run from the right engineer position.
You have to hit your button.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Jump to light speed. Do it! There's the train. Jump. Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Get in. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brace. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. There we go. Good work, everybody. The cargo is ready. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxial. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hey. Oh. The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Whoa. Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! drive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. He's the last. Did it.
That's not turning, guys.
Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Not bad? Okay, where's your... Woo! Oh, I have to press it. 1,400.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut. Alright, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
Have any holes in the ship? Oh, you head to the sound? Yeah. We messed it up a little bit, I think.
So what are your opinions on Smuggler's Run? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.